Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how to play PUBG smoothly in all Android devices. So first of all, there are a few solutions here. The first one is just go to your phone settings. Now you need to turn on your developer options. So for that, just go to your about phone. Now just on your MIUI version or your build version, just click there 7 times. And after clicking 7 times, you will turn on developer option. Now just go to your developer options. In the top search bar, search for developer options and go here. Now just scroll until you find the animation options. Here you can see a window animation scale. Just click on it and turn it off. Transition animation scale, turn it off. And animator duration scale, turn it off again. Now after turning this off, the second solution is you need to just go to your PUBG ID. Now after entering PUBG, just click the bottom right side, this arrow icon. Now after clicking here, click on settings. And now just click on controls. And go to advanced controls in the top. Now scroll. And after scrolling here in the bottom, here you will see a highlight movements. Just click on it to disable it. And disable a death replay. Now after that, click on graphics and audio in the right side. Now again scroll here, and here you can see brightness option, make it 120. And in the bottom option, auto adjust graphics, make it disable. And after that, click on the yellow OK button. By following these steps, you can play PUBG more smoothly than before. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.